Hello, today we are going to learn how to make this mini granny square. Hello, today we are going to learn how to make a magic square and changing the color in the second round of the magic square. So we here have taken one blue color and made magic ring and then 16 double crochets into the magic ring. Then I have slip stitched the last double crochet into the third chain of the first DC. And then I'll cut the yarn of the first color so that I can start with the second row. But as you can see, it gives a bumpy look to the granny circle. And so instead of this, let's learn a new method of giving a better finishing while changing the color. So remove that last slip stitch and now take the another color yarn, that is red color over here, and make a slip knot of it. So then we are going to insert the hook into the last chain and the first double crochet, third stitch of the first double crochet. And then we have taken red color and we are going to do a slip stitch with red yarn. So we are going to remove that red color yarn from both the loops. Then we'll chain 1 plus chain 2. So total 3 chains. So this will give a nice finishing and not a bumpy look to our DC of the second round. To make a granny square, we are going to make first 4 corners. So with this we are making a first corner. So in the first corner there are 3 double crochets and you have to chain 1 and make 3 more double crochets into the same stitch. So after making 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 3 double crochet, it completes the first corner, and then we will chain 1 and skip 3 double crochets in between and to start with the second corner. So second corner will also go like that. 3 double crochets into the same stitch, then chain 1 and 3 more double crochets into the same stitch. So this is how it will get the shape of the square. So this is the second corner which we are making as of now. And as you can see, I'm hiding the loose end of the yarns while while making double crochets so that I don't have to take extra efforts to weave in the yarn when at the last. So now the second corner is made and we will skip 3 double crochets to make the third corner. So chain 1 and skip 3 DCs in the fourth double crochet, make 1 DC, then 2 more double crochets, chain 1 and 3 more double crochets. So this is the third
So this will make a third double crochet
of the square
third
which
corner
we are making
with 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 more double crochets. Similarly, we can make 1 more corner for this granny square having 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 3 more double crochets to complete it. So mini square will be ready. Like and subscribe my